20 medical transcription jobs at home. Ready to work from home in the medical field? Discover 20 medical transcription jobs you can do remotely. And if you're interested in job, you won't want to miss number 15, and please subscribe to this channel. 1. General transcriptionist for clinics. Jessica started typing doctor notes for a small clinic. They liked her speed and gave her more work. 2. Emergency room transcriptionist. Mike got trained to transcribe our cases. It was fast-paced but exciting, and he could do it from home. 3. Radiology transcriptionist. Emily learned radiology terms online. She now transcribes X-ray and MRI reports for hospitals. 4. Pathology transcriptionist. David started transcribing lab reports after taking a short course. He works flexible hours from his room. 5. Surgery report transcriptionist. Rachel got hired to transcribe surgery notes. Her detailed listening skills helped her earn steady pay. 6. Psychiatry transcriptionist. Brian transcribes therapy session notes. It's quiet, steady work, and he finds it calming. 7. Telehealth transcriptionist. Lauren types doctor-patient Zoom call summaries. She works with a growing telehealth company. 8. Physical therapy transcriptionist. Mark helps a physiotherapy clinic by transcribing exercises and recovery plans. 9. Insurance claim transcription. Kate transcribes notes doctors send to insurance companies. It's steady and pays well. 10. Pediatric transcriptionist. Lily loves kids. She works on transcribing child health reports for a children's hospital. 11. Orthopedic transcriptionist. Jake learned joint and bone terms online. Now he works with orthopedic doctors remotely. 12. Neurology transcriptionist. Natalie found work transcribing brain scan reports. She took a free online neurology course first. 13. Urology transcriptionist. Chris found a niche in urology transcription. Not many apply, so he got hired quickly. 14. Oncology transcriptionist. Megan wanted to help cancer patients in her own way. She now types oncology reports. 15. Dermatology transcriptionist. Tyler works for a skin clinic. He transcribes cosmetic and treatment notes. 16. Audiology transcriptionist. Sophie works with hearing specialists. She listens closely and types test results. 17. Medical coding plus transcription combo. Ethan does both transcription and adds medical codes. He earns double from home. 18. Speech recognition editor. Ava uses software that types for her. She just edits and fixes the errors. 19. Bilingual medical transcriptionist. Daniel types reports in both Spanish and English for U.S. clinics. Bilingual skills are in demand. 20. Freelance medical transcription on Upwork. Olivia made a profile on Upwork. She found clients from the US, UK, and Australia. Which one fits your skills? Medical transcription is growing, and you can do it from home. Like, share, and subscribe for more work from home ideas.